Hello team. So this is your rated tutor applications. So here you can book a tutor for any classes. So I already log in as admin. So your user can easily log in. There will be option to log in or register. This is the front end. So your instructor can sell multiple courses as well. So we already create multiple category related to courses. So here you can check the category in the left side. You can filterize by category, price, level and all. Here you can check a difference view. Here you can filter as well. Okay, here your user or student can easily search if they want to search any course or any tutor. Here they can search. Here you can check top courses, top category, top 10 latest courses. This automatically calculate and it will be show here. This is a demo, that's why we not add much data here. Okay, so here in the last you can check multiple category. You can register as an instructor as well. You can sign up as a user. This is some category which you can manage. Now let me show you user view. Sorry, admin view. This is the admin profile. So here you can check admin revenue, number of course, lesson, enrollment of students, course overview. Here you can check if any user requested for withdrawal, that data will come here. Here you can check your courses data. All types of courses will come here. You can create multiple courses or you can add. Okay. After that we have a add new course. So here you can create multiple courses category. So here you can set up multiple category as well. After that we have a coupon. So you can set up coupons as well. After that tutor booking is there. So here you can make tutor category. Here you can add booking. You can check all types of booking here. You can manage that. Here you can check book schedule as well. Enrollment is here there, so you can manage course enrollment. Or you also can give any enrollment to any student manually as well. You need to select user or course, then it will be enroll history. You can check it here. After that we have a report, so here you can check reports. Users we have, so here you can check your admin user. You can create multiple admin user. After that we have instructor, so instructor data will come here. You can check view related courses. So in this, instead of how much course they had live, the data will come here. Okay, you can easily delete or edit. If you want to add any instructor, then you can create multiple instructor. Instructor payout we have, instructor settings we have. So instructor can register or not, that option is here. After that we have an instructor commission setting, which you can set up according to you. If any instructor requested for login, then that data will come. Then you can approve that, then it will be live. This means whenever he register, then that data will come here. After that students, so here you can check a student or you can create. After that we have a messages, newsletter we have, contact we have. Here you can set up blog, add-ons. This add-ons is only for admin or this is for only developers, so they can work or they can create multiple add-ons. After that we have a theme, so here we already had one theme, or here you can set up other things. In settings you can set up other things. Let me show you. Here you can check update product, system settings. You can update if you want to update anything. We are using Vimeo, so you can use Vimeo as well. How much device they can log in, how much course selling tax, what is this, you can manage that. Okay, after that we have a website settings. Here you can check website setting or you can update as well. After that drip content, payment settings we have. So here you can set up payment settings. Let me show you. You can create multiple currency, and these are gateway which we are using: PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Xendit, PayU, PayGuru, SSL Commerce, Skrill, Doku, Bcash, Cash Free we have. With that you can use all the things. After that multi-language, this is a multi-language solution, so here you can set up multiple languages. This is a notification, social login, so here you can set up multiple social login as well. So this is the admin login. Here you can check the language and all. So let me show you the other logins as well. Just allow me a few seconds. Let me show you an instructor login to you. So it's help you to check other things. Okay, so we already create some login for demo purpose. So this is the instructor login which I am going to log in. Okay, just allow me a few seconds. Okay, so I already log in as an instructor. Here you can check instructor dashboard. Here other things are related to user. So the user can check courses, wish list, they can check message, purchase history and all. Let me show you instructor dashboard as well. This is an instructor dashboard, so they can check revenue, course manager we have, so they can create multiple courses. After that we have a tutor booking, so they can add booking. Okay, they can check all booking data here, or here you can check student booking. After that we will have a sales report, payout settings we have, you can update it, PayPal, Stripe, Payup and all. Okay, so we already show you the complete demo. So if you have any query, then let me know, we will try to solve it.